here is because I wanted to talk to you about the seed of the watermelon. It's called Citrullus lanatus, okay? And traditionally, it's been used for bedwetting, okay? Urinary stones. It's been used for fighting like kidney stones, that's urinary stones, for flushing the body of the kidneys, okay? And it's very simple on how you're going to do it. It's also great for edema, water retention. So if you don't have the seeds, okay, you can get the seeds in tincture form, okay, which is actually more powerful. Okay, the seeds are right here in tincture form. You don't need it, but it's helpful to get it, okay? So remember, the cleanse is going to be only watermelon and nothing else but watermelon. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner, or whenever you're hungry. Your last meal should be 2 to 3 hours before you go to bed, always, okay? Because you're going to urinate a lot. Use the watermelon seeds, okay? Also called Citrullus lanatus. I love that name, okay? You can get it in the tincture form. If you have the seeds, you can crush it, okay? Make a tea. Put some hot water in it, okay? And you can drink it all day. Don't drink it 3 hours before bed, because remember, it's for bedwetting. Traditionally speaking, it's for urinary tract infections, okay? It's for edema, and it's for fighting renal stones. That's why I love the watermelon only cleanse. It's going to cleanse your kidneys. When the kidneys are functioning better, you will move the lymph system better with the fruits because they're astringent. You cleanse the kidneys, and you're going to feel great overall. 5 days. If you have any questions, you have to ask. I'm going to end this soon, but leave the questions underneath and ask questions. I'll do my best to take care of you. Even any questions not directly related to the watermelon, but let's say you're trying to heal something and you're using the watermelon only cleanse, you can still ask those questions, and I'll be glad to help you, okay? So I hope this kind of gets your curiosity going. Remember, watermelon only and watermelon seeds. If you don't have the seeds, you're going to use the tincture, okay? Citrullus lanatus, that's the word, the Latin name. So I'll catch you soon. Any questions, feel free and ask below. Oh, okay, good question. So Liz says, where do you buy this stuff? I have a UTI. So on my website, it's called Watermelon Seeds. Okay, you can get it there. Okay, and also for UTI, you want to make sure you use Kidney 6 tea. It has over-OC, and that's great for UTIs as well. So Kidney 6 and the watermelon seed as well, okay? And I'm going to go on the cleanse to flush things out, and you're going to feel great. Do I sell nettle tea? Yes, on my website it's called nettle seed tea, okay? It's actually nettle seeds. Put it in your watermelon juice, drink it, fantastic for you. I take it 3 times a day, okay? Oh wow, a lot of questions are coming through. Okay, you got a tea, good. We got the, before I check out, I was gonna keep it very short. I was gonna make a message so you guys can look at it later, but if you have any questions, I'll count to 3, and if there's no more questions, I'll say goodbye and I'll come back. How many watermelons should you eat a day? Me personally, I never eat more than 1, okay? And I'm a big guy, so it's up to you. You can eat as much as you want. You can have 2. I don't think anyone can eat more than 2. Be honest with you, okay? You can eat and juice at the same time. Okay, I hope that answers your question. So okay, seems good. I send you another message about the H. pylori also. H. pylori, again, it's lymphatics, okay? When your lymph system is stagnant, it creates the environment for these things to come. So you gotta move your lymph system. I would take antimicrobial tincture. I would take parasite C tincture and the worm tincture as well, okay? 100% fruit diet, fabulous 5, kidney tea, and watermelon, even try the watermelon seed tincture, okay? Okay, so it seems we're going to juice the watermelon as well as eat it. It's up to you. It's up to you. You can juice it or eat it. I like to eat it, okay? You have a bit of the fiber in there and it's cleansing, it pulls and cleans, but you can do both. What's the website? The website is miraherbals.info. If someone can post it up right now, appreciate it. www.miraherbals.info, okay? Yeah, and you go to the help, it's right there. Okay, so this is a great turnout. I'm so happy. We're going to do this together. And it's exciting. It's only 5 days, and if you want to go longer, you can go longer. I'll keep the group up for a month or so, because my goal, as always, is to help you succeed, okay? So, but I'm doing this group because it's a test. I want to see if I can get a small group and help them help you guys individually, like more closely, so to speak, right? Because my other group is 18,000 people. It's huge. It's very hard to monitor and keep. So this is a special trial group where I'm going to help those who need help in a more intimate way, okay? Yes, be happy. It'll be good. Do you juice the rind too? The rind, good question. So the rind, if it's organic, you can juice it. If it's not organic, peel the actual green part and use the white part, and you can juice it as well. Fantastic for you, okay? How many times a day do you eat? Eat 3 times a day, but if you want, eat every 2 hours. It's better, and you won't get hungry, okay? You'll feel more satisfied. Your blood sugar is more stable, okay? So small frequent meals. Okay, I think I covered everything, right? Any more before I go? I'm so happy that you guys came on. It caught me. I was going to do a quick one and run away, but you caught me. So thank you for jumping in. If you have any questions, like I said, feel free and ask. Okay, I'm going to do my best to help you. Okay, one more coming here. Is it easy to sleep on this detox? For some people, most people, yes. So occasionally you have too much energy. Okay, if you have sleep issues and you want to get sleep, use my sleep tincture on my website. Very powerful stuff. Makes you sleep nicely. Okay, I'll save the life. Absolutely. That's the whole point of doing this. Karen says, Rob, you changed my life. I can't even say that word, but honest with you, I do my own shopping now. I inspired you, you changed your life, and the credit goes to you. So I'm so proud of you, very, very proud of you, okay? Nothing makes me happier. Hello. Okay, I think, you can use the Fab 3, yes, you can use Fab 3, absolutely. I'm not too particular about the herbs. Listen, I know they're expensive, and my goal is not the herbs. My goal is to make sure you succeed. The diet is crucial, and get whatever herbs you can afford, okay? The Fab 3, kidney tea, Fabulous 5. Ideally, you want Fabulous 5 and kidney tea, but it's not by force, okay? If you can't afford it, that's fine. I understand everybody's in a different situation. Oh, a disorder where I can't leave my house. Oh, I see, Karen. Well, I'm glad to know that at least as a group we can touch your life in a good way, right? And you can always reach out to me. I'll do my best to help you in any way I can. Okay, so as much as I can as one person, without almost hundreds and hundreds of messages, I do my best to get back to you. Okay, but thank you so much. I appreciate it. Okay, so I'll